up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. Lord Night Ride again. Kind of feeling a bit of a crazy ride. Depends where we end up going. And other than that, I got no plans. So hopefully we run into some fast cars, bikers, or something. And it's going to be another GTA lobby like last time. Also, I kind of had planned that I'm just going to ride around for a little bit. Maybe see my buddy. And then I'm going to start recording. But I just ran into a freaking McLaren 720s and I wasn't ready, but I started recording right away, turned around, caught up to him at a light, and I knew it was on at that moment, boys. Yo, boys, let's run it with the fucking McLaren, man. Let's see if he wants to race. He'll fucking smoke the shit out of me, boys. I'm fucking scared, man. Tires are cold. Kind of close. Yo, watch out, bro. Yo, that's fucking sick, bro. We're pretty freaking close, which is crazy, but obviously after like 130, 150, I'm gonna be done, boys, but first gear, man, we're actually kind of close, which is super crazy. That's a 720s, man. 720 horsepower, like 1,300 kilos. That thing's a fucking rocket, boys. I think we're gonna get gapped off the line, boys. Oh, fuck! Woo! Watch out, bro! I don't know if I trust this guy, man. Come on, bro! Oh, shit! Fucking hell, boys. Oh! Yeah, he fucked me, boys. That was a legit race and he fucked me, so I got nothing to say, man. That was like perfectly timed and everything, I think, so it is what it is, man. I mean, I'd be surprised that a stock 600 would beat a fucking 720s, man. See ya, bro? Absolutely nuts, boys. Absolutely fucking nuts. Whew! Let's take it easy through these intersections, boys. Honestly, when we weren't like standstill at first gear, we were actually pretty freaking close, surprisingly. Like, that's a McLaren 720s. Like, that's a serious fucking supercar, boys. And this is like, quote unquote, only a 600. So I was surprised how easily I kept up with him. And I mean, I did actually beat him like once or twice, and it had to be from first gear and I had to be rolling a little bit. But seriously, man, maybe he wasn't like all the way on the gas, maybe he was like 75-80%, but he was trying pretty hard. I'm pretty sure he went full throttle a few times as well, definitely at the last time. And yeah, I mean, I did get freaking gapped that time, because fuck, man, it's a McLaren 720s and I kept it in power too. So like I didn't even switch it to P1. Maybe I would have had like a better chance, but I think the power modes on the 600RR, all they do is just change like how snappy the throttle is instead of actually giving you more power. So
maybe it wouldn't have changed much. Maybe it would. If I would be on an actual Fireblade, that would definitely be a whole different story. But we're not. Being able to keep up, kind of sort of beat him, and then obviously get gapped, that's fucking good enough for me, man. If you guys haven't seen my last week's video, I highly recommend you go watch it, because oh my god, I got trusted by Honda. They gave me the Hornet SP to take out, do a review.
I'll be honest, maybe my review isn't as in-depth as some of the big review channels, but unlike them, I actually have the balls to go pretty much full speed.
Not only you guys will be able to see a review about the bike, but you guys can actually see what it's capable of, at least a bit. So yeah, definitely go check it out. I know for a fact that I want to be out tonight for a pretty long time, because it's starting to get a bit colder now, so I need to make use of as much time as I have, because I did miss out on about a month of riding this year, which absolutely sucks. Hopefully we're gonna get a pretty long summer, and hopefully there's gonna be a lot more opportunities to record at night as well. But yeah, even today it's already pretty cold, and I can't only wear my hoodie, I have to be in my jacket as well. So it is what it is. It's still doable, and I definitely want to be outside for like 2-3 hours today. Just put a bunch of kilometers on the bike, and also the more kilometers I put on the bike, the sooner I install my Austin Racing exhaust, and I am super freaking excited for that, because I don't know, man, it's just gonna be absolutely amazing. I did want to hit up a highway that is kind of sort of like exiting the city, and it's really well lit up. We've been there before when I was breaking the bike in, and it's like 3 lanes and quite a bit of road, so we can definitely have some fun there as well. And we're actually kind of close, so I think we're gonna head there right now, and after that we're probably gonna fill up and figure out another spot where to go. We also haven't taken any nighttime pictures, and I don't really know any well-lit areas at night where I could take pictures, but I do have one in mind. So we could technically hit up that spot right after we hit up the highway. I still think that McLaren 720s will be the highlight of this night, boys, but we'll see what else we run into today, man. You know, like starting off with a 720s, I don't think I can pretty much beat it with anything. We are slowly going to be kind of exiting the city, and we're going to be getting closer to the highway. And I think in like those 2 turns, we can already start having a little bit of fun. So let's go, boys. Can't be in it for too long, because like I don't know why, but the wind is pretty crazy, and it's pushing my helmet all the way back, and the mic is like hitting my chin, and yeah, it's not really too pleasant, you know. up, boys? All right, we're taking the exit right here, boys. I think we had a little bit of fun on the highway for sure.
I don't know where I'm going. I have no clue where I'm at. Like, I don't know this place at all. But I see a lot of empty parking lots because, you know, it's 11:42. So when I do end up getting my MT-07 or a Supermoto, I think I'll be hitting up like this location to practice wheelies at night. It seems like there's a lot of like shops or malls and stuff like that, so
I don't think I should be pissing too many people off.
I kind of need a gas station pretty soon, but I think we can hit up the highway again and then we're gonna fill up. I don't want to fill up at those like no-name gas stations like this one. I don't trust those.
Definitely stayed in it for a bit longer, but you know, this part of the highway is a little bit uphill and I don't want to torture this bike. We're already hitting the limiter pretty often. It is obviously after its braking period, but it's not that far from it. We got 1,500 kilometers on the bike, so I guess you could say I am kind of torturing it either way. Since I want to be out for a pretty long time, and I do have a second battery, I think we could hit up the picture spot in the next video, and I'm gonna go record that after this one. So we'll quickly try and think of something else to do, and then the next video we'll hit up that picture spot, take some nice pictures, and then also drive around somewhere, wherever, we'll see. Since we're kind of getting close to the city again, let's go have a final bit of fun. I don't want to hit up this guardrail, so we're just going to take it chill, and then we're gunning it, boys! Whoa! Alright, let's take it easy, let's take it easy, let's take it easy. People go 50 over here, not 200.
Ooh, we got a fucking new Z4, I think. Is that like the Z4M? And he's hitting up the right side, so maybe he heard me. Oh yeah. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. I got you, bro. I don't think we'll be able to get to race this guy too much because we are kind of hitting up like downtown right now. And there is going to be quite a bit of traffic.
Unfortunately, no Z4, but I think we're going to start heading towards downtown again so we can try and find a few more fast cars and see if we can race them, boys. Was that a Hellcat? Oh, I should have turned around. Let's try and hunt him down, boys. I guess if it's a crazy dude like me, he's gonna be long gone. But if not, we might be able to catch up to him. Holy, this guy's pretty gone. We see him! We see him!
Alright, he's catching on. He's catching on, boys. Where could we run it, boys? That is the main question right now. You know what? Why don't we just follow him and see if he finds a good road? Alright, alright. I'm down to go right. Come on, drift it, boys. Drift it. Not too great. Not too great, man.
He's definitely gonna go right here. He's not going right here. Okay, so we're hitting up like straight downtown. Bro.
Maybe he just doesn't want to even race. Maybe he's like actually going somewhere and I'm just like trying to like reel this guy in. Yo, what's up? I guess he just wants to do a video, man. I don't want to do a fucking video. Let's go. Oh, what a fucking bump. Oh my god. Cops, yep. Cops. Nobody.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Okay, never mind. He just left me hanging, boys.
Watch out for that tow truck. We've almost seen a crash with the Z4 in the tow truck, so don't want that shit happening.
Man, I'm actually super bummed out. Like, what I did was probably cool for him to see,
but I didn't realize how fucking far through traffic I would get. And even riding super slow, maybe he did exit, but I don't know, he just didn't catch up and I don't want to wait around. We're gonna go fill up right now because we have like 130 kilometers on the clock. Definitely some gas left, but
definitely worth filling up. So I think I'm gonna leave it off here. If you guys enjoyed this one, make sure to hit that like button,
subscribe, hit the notifications, and I'll see you boys in the next one. Peace!